Imagine if you hurt your foot and started limping to cope with the pain, but eventually your other leg gets too tired to carry the weight. That is exactly what is happening inside your engine when you get the P02D2 code. The computer in your car, the ECM, is incredibly smart and constantly learns how to adjust the fuel injectors to match how you drive, the weather conditions, and how the engine wears over time. But with this code, the fuel injector for cylinder number 4 has tried to adapt to its minimum limit, and it simply cannot adjust any further. It is basically raising a white flag telling you it has maxed out its ability to compensate for a problem. You might be feeling engine misfires, smelling raw fuel, seeing smoke from the exhaust, or just noticing that the car feels weak when you step on the gas. While it sounds like a bad injector, and it could be, do not just swap parts yet, because the computer is often reacting to something else. A very common sneak thief here is a vacuum leak. If unmeasured air is getting in, the computer goes haywire trying to fix the mixture. Start the engine and listen for a whistling sound under the hood, or check if your air filter is completely clogged and sucked in on itself. Also, look at the area around cylinder number 4. Fuel injectors sit in spots that trap dirt and water, so a corroded connector could be the real villain. Grab an air blower or a vacuum and clean out the debris around that injector to see if the wiring is damaged. If the wiring looks good and there are no vacuum leaks, then you might have a mechanical issue like a bad injector or even a carbon buildup problem. This is a moderate to high severity issue because if the computer cannot control the fuel mix, you risk damaging the catalytic converter or washing down the cylinder walls with too much fuel. So tackle this one sooner rather than later. It's all about giving that computer the right conditions so it does not have to limp anymore.